followed by is the narrow beam angle effect display of our Polaroid series. This one is the effect of the Polaroid 5 degrees with the monochrome RGB light point source of the different color temperature. As you can see, this is very colorful and very beautiful. Next, we can also add a linear filter on the Polaroid 5 lenses. As you can see, this ground is a stretch light spot. You can do some DIY in your indoor lighting design. Next, we can see the direct spot on the ground. It can also use in some part lighting. You can see the spot is very bright. So I will give you some examples. In our commercial lighting, we can use this in some museum lighting, gallery lighting. And all the effects uses lens is from Kirin optical platform Hercules Optics. We are very good at color mixing or grazing or washing. Welcome you to find us.